Hi, it's Bianca with Maritz here. How do you know if your efforts at a show are paying off? How do you measure return on investment? That's what I'm here to talk about. Let's get into it. Given the stressors of rising costs and inflation, it's important to understand where you are investing when it comes to exhibiting. Understanding the value of your lead retrieval is essential to your business and your future sales. It's amazing to me when I hear about exhibitors who go into a show without any method of measuring lead conversions. It has to be more than a hunch and a pretty booth. Did you know 80% of leads are never followed up on? It's the quality of the leads, not the quantity, that matter. Most exhibitors do not track their leads on a CRM system, which is critical to building ROI strategy. And finally, most staff haven't been trained on event sales and marketing tactics. Revenue is associated with your event sales strategy. How much do you spend to get there? And what do you receive in return? I'm here to help you with all of that. Gathering leads from your app is key. First, let's take a look at the math. To calculate your total investment in the show, capture all expenses like booth fees, booth decorating, lead retrieval scanning, travel expenses, marketing materials, staff salaries, etc. For example, let's say our show expenses are $25,000. In our example, we had $100,000 in profit minus the $25,000 in show expenses, which equals an ROI of $75,000. Calculations in hand, let's take a look at your team and colleagues. And be sure to do all of this before you arrive at the show. Seriously, you need to arrive ready. Determine who will own the leads, the marketing or the sales team. Train your booth staff with a consistent message to engage and qualify booth visitors. Remember to keep things relational, not transactional. Talk to visitors with an eye for helping them solve a problem. Figure out who is not a prospect. That's just as important. Train staff to manage leads through your CRM system. 91% of companies have a CRM system, but only 43% take advantage of the majority of its features. Closing a sale feels good. Being able to demonstrate that your strategic efforts have paid for themselves feels even better. We can help you take care of the lead retrieval process with the lead retrieval app while you focus on your ROI. Now it's your turn to get out there and connect.